Hey guys, I want to thank you for being open-minded and taking time to watch this video. I have been in the real estate industry for 21 years as a 15 years as a real estate broker. 2 years ago, someone introduced to me eXp Realty. I looked at the company and I did what I see a lot of us are doing today. I breezed through the information, but not really taking a look at the eXp business model. As with any major opportunity or decision in life, you must do your due diligence by researching and investigating to see that what is being offered. The opportunity came across my desk a second time a little while later, but there was something different happened this time. I stopped. I really listened and I researched and investigated the eXp business model. I tore it apart. But what I found was a little bit short of being unbelievable. I actually lost sleep when I compared the revolutionary model of eXp with the traditional real estate model I was currently working in. I knew right then and there I had to make a decision because I was heading down the wrong road. I was going in the wrong direction. I owe it to my family, to myself, to swallow my pride and make a decision for my future and my family's future. I made the decision to partner with eXp Realty as a co-business owner. I truly believe I made the best decision for my family by leaving my old brokerage and joining eXp. There is no other real estate company that I know of in the world that would award you stock for selling real estate and pay you for growing the company as well as eXp will. I believe everyone deserves to live an abundant life. I know the future of real estate is changing and the untrained and unprepared agents are going to be ran out of the business. eXp offers over 80 hours plus of agent training every week, and they send out a schedule every Sunday evening so that you can accurately plan your week with your team. Yes, you have the flexibility to work wherever you want and whenever you want through our cloud-based technology. You have access to collaborate with some of the biggest influencers in the real estate industry today. We all started the same with an 80-20 commission split, which caps at $16,000, and you have the ability to get all $16,000 back in stock once you become what we call an icon agent. eXp offers revenue sharing to active agents who are currently helping grow the company. That's passive income on top of the stock receiving, plus your commissions earned from selling property. This opportunity exists only at eXp Realty. There's a lot more I would love to share with you. If you want to know more, I would love to jump on a quick call with you. Thank you for watching the video. I hope to speak with you soon. God bless you and have a great day.